episode in Roblox with me and my good friend adlihanys.
You sound so weird. Okay, whatever. Hi.
Thank you. Thank you for making me sound so.
I'm the beast. I'm leaving because I don't like being the beast. I'm so bad.
Today we're playing Flee the Facility. Or isn't that right? adlihanys, you're new in this game, right?
Yeah.
Unfortunately,
Trash.
I'm so sorry if I haven't recorded anything for weeks. It's just my keyboard died. Me and John have been having a bit of a problem with Instagram stuff. And now John refuses to play Skyden with me. Awesome. Thanks a lot, John.
So weird. He plays the weirdest stuff ever.
Yeah, Tomodachi Life. He just plays me's. Because, you know what's fun? Oops. Oh no. Hi. The funny thing is that he only thinks about himself. And it's about me. That's what he thinks. And he plays with me's. You're not after me? I thought you were after me. Okay! Never mind.
I am.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my... Yes! No! You missed! adlihanys! You're gonna... I'm running away! I'm running away. Sorry, girl. Bye. Wait, there's one computer left? Already? Wow, that was fast.
How you put her in? Wait, what?
I don't know. I don't know what your perspective.
Where'd you go?
Where'd you go? Really? Are you kidding me?
No.
You need to do the rope again. Are you serious? adlihanys! No! Come on. adlihanys, you know if you camp, you're not going to make me freeze. Wow. adlihanys, control that sister of yours. Oh, come on. Get it! Run! It just flopped on the floor. Wow, I just flopped on the floor. Don't you dare! The girls are waiting for you. The girls are just waiting. Wow. You missed.
I'm actually leaving. I'm getting this thing.
You actually left. No, seriously, come back in.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna come back in and then I'm gonna leave. For real. Because in the only game that Every single person next to that thing, and I'm not.
The game is full. Are you serious? Is the game really full? Oh, that's not good, isn't it? Oh no. Well, adlihanys, you made a humongously big boo-boo. The game is now full, which means you're in another game. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is a new John who says, I hate you so many times.
Okay, tell me when you're done, you know?
I don't think so, cause the game is still full, and
I'm gonna jump in with my sister.
you know what? I'm going to cut ahead in the video until we're sorted. And we're back! Okay, so me and adlihanys are back in the game. So you're a survivor. Okay, hello. Okay, the beast has caught someone.
Okay, the beast is next to me, like literally.
It is?
It would.
He's not the
Scared.
beast. Run him, Annabeth! The beast is like, what?
Can you turn that down because I feel like she's next to me. Did he kill you?
I'm spectating.
Wait, are you the
I'm spectating.
so you're the beast?
I'm spectating.
I know.
I'm waiting. Wow, you guys are so slow. Ooh. Oh, smart. He was hiding in the locker. Now that's smart. And she's back. Oh, 2 people were hiding in the locker. You're smashing into the wall. You were
How
smashing.
you know?
Because I'm spectating you. What do you think I was doing?
I don't know. I thought you were the beast.
You thought I was in the beak? I'm not in the beak. Not.
Oh my god, boy.
The difference between adlihanys and John is adlihanys is not annoying, but she is sassy. Adlihanys, run! She also has a mouse on her shoulder that's floating.
Oh, what?
You have a mouse on your shoulder that's not even on your shoulder, it's floating.
Will you get it in
What?
Roblox?
No! Adlihanys!
What?
You're lucky the beast is in first person, or else she would have saw you.
Are you looking at me?
Yes. Whoa, you shoot her! Lol.
I didn't know he was here.
Adlihanys, what did you do? You just ran right into her.
I didn't know he was here. I thought he was from
Is
home.
anyone going to save you? And Annabeth is coming. She's on her way.
Okay. Hopefully she doesn't get killed because he's right next to us.
The other one is blind and hacking a computer.
Where?
Right where you are. Why is it all girls?
I'm finna hide. I know what the other computer is, but he's gonna get me.
Sure. Well, adlihanys, it turns out it's a game over. Oh, too bad. No, my mouse is frozen. My mouse is frozen! Somebody help! Someone help! My mouse is frozen! Oh well, looks like I guys gonna have to do this. The whole game. No. I want facility. Why do we have abandoned facility, we have the original 3. Abandoned prism, abandoned facility, and facility. What are you doing?
Okay.
7, 5, 4, 3. I don't know how to count. 1, 3, 1. Yes. Yes. I'm the best. I made it over here. I'm the best. I have made it. I done the parkour. I'm a survivor.
Survivor. Whatever.
adlihanys, what on earth is going on? Okay. Ah! I thought I nearly got it wrong. Silly girl ninja. Oh no. Oops. I've done a mistake. Ah! Oops. I've done another mistake. I keep doing mistakes. Really? Really? Do I seriously have to come and save the day? I have to come and save the day. Yee! Run, adlihanys! Run! Run! Adlihanys, run! Okay, now come back. Come back. Oh, no. No! Yes! Come! Come! Use that thing! Really? E. Run, adlihanys! Run! 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 Crawl. Now let's go. Come on, let's go. This way! This way! Where on earth are you going? Why are you going? Are you trying to... What are you doing? Girl, you stupid. What are you doing? Really? Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this little episode here. I'm afraid I'm going to have to cut it to 15 minutes because I am at a time limit because this new extension that I'm using, it only does 15 minutes. So right now I'm going to have to go back, subscribe, and make sure you like this video. Goodbye!